Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Eid Ul Adha, popularly known as Bakrid, is a day to rejoice, sacrifice, and share. Eid is celebrated on the 10th of Dhul Hijjah according to the lunar calendar. We sacrifice goat, sheep, or camel on this day, but the real sacrifice is giving up our egos, anger, hatred, and grudges for the sake of Allah. We divide the meat into three parts. One part goes to the relatives and friends, the second part goes to the poor and needy, and the last part is for us, which shows we should care for our relatives, friends, and the needy in our community. Here are some things we can do as children to make this day special and earn more ajr. 1. Recite Takbeer aloud while going to or returning from mosque. 2. Distribute sweets to everyone after Salah. 3. Help a parent while packing the meat for share. 4. Call our friends and wish them the Sunnah way, Taqaballahu minna minkum. 5. Make duaa for our parents, our Akhlaq, education, and for our Muslim brothers and sisters around the world. Wear nice and presentable clothes. Most of us pray Eid Salah but miss other Salah because of Eid. Try avoiding that and pray all the Salahs which are equally important to Eid Salah. 8. Spend more time with your family, especially in this pandemic where you can't go out. 9. When you get your Eid money, give some of it for charity first, and Allah will give you double the amount of the money you give for charity, inshallah. 10. Forgive and forget. 11. Pray for the ones affected by COVID and are not able to celebrate Eid. These are some deeds which you can do to make your Eid a happy and beneficial one. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all our ibadah during these days, and on the day of Eid, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make this Eid a blessed one for us. May we reap more good deeds by whatever we have learned during these days of Dhul Hijjah. Taqaballahu minna minkum. Amin ya Rabbil Alameen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.